Hello, my name is Alya Batrisya and I am currently a student in English Professional Communication at IETA Shah Alam, and I joined Interexcel in internship placement as HR and marketing, as I want to gain a real experience in working environment and learn more about the industry. Alright, so the people here, especially the staff, are very welcoming and helpful. They always guide me really well, and especially when I don't understand something, that makes my learning experience much more easier here. So I learned a lot in terms of time management, communication, and even in handling a really important task. It helped me grow in a professional working environment way. Alright, so one of my most memorable moments here is when I got involved in the event held here. Previously, we have Christmas event, Halloween events, and even Deepavali events, and I got the chance to work closely with other colleagues. And yeah, the laughter that we shared actually just make my internship experience much more meaningful and wonderful. Alright, so my experience here has been a really good and meaningful journey for me, as I really enjoyed myself working here with all the good environment, and people here are very welcoming, very helpful, and very supportive for me. So yeah, it makes my learning experience much more enjoyable. I want to thank Interexcel for giving me the opportunity to do my internship here, and to all future students who will be joining Interexcel soon. Don't afraid to ask questions and just enjoy yourself here. You will learn a lot more here, especially when Interexcel is a very great place to learn and yeah, just to gain experience. So yeah, all the best to all the future students out there, and thank you, Interexcel.